Link data and spreadsheets. Spreadsheet allows linking among data associated within cells from various sheets to summarize data. Setting up multiple sheets. While working with a large amount of data, multiple sheets can be created to organize the spreadsheet and making it easier to find data. Spreadsheet can also be grouped to quickly add information to multiple sheets at the same time. By default, every spreadsheet contains a sheet named Sheet 1, which is managed using tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet, as shown here. Inserting new sheets. To insert a new sheet in spreadsheet, Step 1. Click on Sheet menu and then click on Insert Sheet option. Or right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Insert Sheet option from the drop-down menu. The Insert Sheet dialog box appears on the screen. Step 2. Select the desired position of the sheet, before or after the Sheet 1. Step 3. Select New Sheet Radio button option from Sheet section. Step 4. Type the number of sheets required.
Step 5. Click on OK button. New sheet S will be.
To insert sheet or sheets from another spreadsheet. Step 1 and 2 remains same. Step 3. Choose from File Radio button option from Sheet section. Step 4. Click on Browse and select the spreadsheet or sheet that needs to be inserted. Ensure Link checkbox option to be checked to update the data values. If data values are changed in original sheets, these will also be updated in new destination. Step 5. Click on OK button. New sheets will be inserted. Renaming sheets. At the bottom of each spreadsheet window, there are small tabs that indicate the names of the sheets in the spreadsheet. By default, their names are Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and so on. These names are not very descriptive. Renaming a sheet as per its content gives a brief idea about the stored content. For instance, if sales of different months by a salesman are stored in different sheets, names of the sheets can be renamed by month names. To rename a sheet, Step 1. Double-click on any of the existing sheet tab. Rename Sheet dialog box appears on the screen. Step 2. Type the desired name of the sheet. Step 3. Click on OK button. Alternatively, right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Rename Sheet option from the drop-down menu, or click on Sheet menu and then select Rename Sheet option.